Hi everyone, I would like to talk to you about my cool tool number 3 called Flipgrid.com. Flipgrid is a simple, free, and accessible video discussion experience for pre-K to PhD educators, learners, and families where you create a topic and engage your community together. Like I said, sign up today and it's free. How Flipgrid works is that it's simple. Create a discussion topic, share with your learning community. Learners record and share short videos with you and your class. The first thing that you need to do is sign up for an account. Once you're signed up and signed into the account, you will see that there's discussion, discovery, activity, mixed tapes, shorts, and the grid pals. Under Discovery, you'll find other Flipgrid community that started discussion in all the different topics that can be found here. You find topics of the day, wonders of the world, partners, trending topics, and just for me, etc., and other things. You can find activity where people have seen your achievements. Not people have seen them, but you can see your achievements, what the groups have created, the topics that have been created, what kind of the total number of responses, the videos that were viewed. And here is where all your responses would actually be shown to you as the person who has created the discussions. You'll also see that there's a mixed tape where you can easily collect all the videos on a topic and put them together into a mixed tape kind of discussion to share with your group. And then you can also make short using the Flipgrid camera to record videos and capture your screen and easily share your ideas with anyone at any time. There's also the Grid Pal where you can see other people who are using Flipgrid. You can either hide your profile or you can connect with other educators who are using Flipgrid. As you can see, there are a lot of educators who are using Flipgrid throughout the United States. And also, if you zoom out, you can also see that it's being used in other parts of the world, also in Europe. You can see where people who are using it and what they are using it for. This person is from New York City and they have a subject of law and legal studies that people would have to do their discussion on. To do a quick discussion on how it works is that you go to the discussion board, you add a topic. Today we're going to do one on dinosaurs, and then you add a prompt. What is your favorite dinosaur? Dino. And then you can add media from one of these places, an emoji, recording, and upload a video. You could do it to Microsoft or Google, Kahoots if you're working with that. The permission that you need to give, if it's going to be private or public. Here's where you want to add your students' information. They're either in their email addresses or their username. And then you can also put a password to it. The essentials of how long a recording should be, if you're allowing students to do video and text comments. There's other options of attachments, the status, how long you want your discussion to go on, and to be live, and notifications, the daily feature, the video features, if you want them to be able to do stickers or filters or other things like that, and basic feedback. Then you create a topic, and then you can add it to your QR code, your Microsoft Teams, your Google Classrooms, or your reminder, or you can just send out the topic code. And you're all set and you're ready for everybody to answer your discussion. Thank you. Have a good day. Stay safe. Bye.